Hi everyone. Before I forget, I wanted to make this quick video about Docling, the AI-powered tool that transforms your text documents into ready-to-use input data. Extracting structured data from PDFs, PPTX, DOCX, or HTML is a nightmare. Traditional Python libraries, sure, they're fast, can be efficient, but they often mess up layouts, tables, and figures. For AI pipelines and RAG workflows, that's just usually not good enough. Meet Docling, an AI-powered open-source toolkit from IBM Research. It uses advanced layout understanding and LLM-backed extraction to turn even complex documents into usually clean data ready to feed into your AI workflows. With Docling, you should get higher accuracy, better structure, and fewer errors right out of the box. It's valuable for RAG, fine-tuning, and AI-driven document analysis. Smarter data, cleaner pipelines, and faster insights. That's all for today. I hope Docling helps you in your projects. Until next time, take care.